Salibonani bangani. Namhlanje sizofunda 20 common everyday phrases in isiNdebele. Uvukile, livukile means good morning. Sabona, salibonani. Hello, good day. Lichonile, uchonile. Good afternoon, good day. Lilale, night. Linjani, kunjani, how are you? Ngiyaphila, siyaphila. I'm fine, we're fine. Ngiyabonga, siyabonga. Thank you. Ngicela, please. Yebo, yes. Hachi, hayi, no. Kumbe, maybe. Ngifuna, I want. Angifuni, I don't want. Ngilambile, I'm hungry. Ngiwomile, I'm thirsty, I'm dry. Ngidiniwe, I am tired. Ngijabulile, I am happy. Salani kahle bangani.